follows. Types of animal tissues are as follows. First one is epithelial tissue. Second, epithelial tissue. Second one is muscle tissue. Third is connective tissue. And fourth one is neural tissue or nervous tissue. Okay. 4 type of tissue are in your course: epithelial tissue, muscle tissue, connective tissue and neural tissue. Okay. Now first one, that is epithelial tissue. Start with this epithelial tissue. Okay. Epithelial tissue, first one is where it is located. Location in the body. Okay. It covers the surface of the body and lines the various body cavities and internal organs, including the blood vessel. For example, the outermost layer of skin and the lining surface of the mouth, nose, lung, stomach. ये इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स में भी होते हैं और एक्सटर्नल इज ऑर्गन इज योर स्किन. आउटर मोस्ट लेयर, ये हमेशा जो एपिथेलियल टिश्यूज होते हैं वो लेयर्स बनाते हैं. ओके. वेयर इट इज फॉर्म द आउटर मोस्ट लेयर ऑफ स्किन. ओके. सेकेंड वन इज द लाइनिंग सरफेस ऑफ द माउथ, nose and lung and stomach also. It is located outer surface of the skin, in lining of the mouth, nose, lung and stomach. Now shape of this type of tissue, that is maybe flat, cuboidal and columnar. Okay. Now in all cases the cells of the epithelial tissue fit tightly together, leaving no spaces between. कैसे होते हैं ये देखो, सी ये टाइटली फिट होते हैं और इनके बीच में कोई भी स्पेसेस नहीं होती है. इट डिपेंड्स ये कौन से ऑर्गन में मिल रही हैं. सिलिएटेड भी होती है. ओके. अगर हमारा माउथ कैविटी में या फैलोपियन ट्यूब के अंदर है तो इट्स फॉर्म अ सेलुलर सीलियर सरफेस. ओके. इट डिपेंड्स कि ये कहाँ पर मिल रहे हैं, उनका स्ट्रक्चर उसी के अकॉर्डिंग हम एपिथेलियल टिश्यूज को सब डिवाइड करेंगे. ओके. बेसिकली दे आर फ्लैट, क्लोबॉइडल एंड कॉलमिनर इन शेप. एंड इन केस ऑल द सेल्स, इन केस ये कहीं पे भी हो, किसी भी शेप में हो, दे आर टाइटली फिट. cells are tightly fitted here. यहाँ पे देखो there is no space between the cells. Now next one is function. What is the function of this epithelial tissue? The main function of the epithelial tissue is a protection. Second function is absorption. जब इंटेस्टाइन में होती है तब क्या करता है? एब्जॉर्प्शन करता है, न्यूट्रिशन को एब्जॉर्ब करता है. सिक्रीशन. ओके. किडनी में भी होता है. एंड सेंसरी परसेप्शंस. जब स्किन में है तो सेंसरी परसेप्शन करेगा. सेंसरी परसेप्शंस. एंड इट्स 5 structurally distinct categories are as follows. See, epithelial tissue again divided into 5 subtypes. Okay. Now types of epithelial tissue. See here, types of epithelial tissue. First, that is squamous. Squamous epithelium. Second, epithelium. Epithelium. Second one is stratified epithelium. Stratified epithelium. Third one is cuboidal. Cuboidal epithelium. And D1 is columnar. Columnar epithelium. Columnar epithelium again divided into two subtypes. Epithelium is divided into two subtypes, that is ciliated and glandular. Ciliated and glandular. Ciliated and glandular. Okay. Now, the type of epithelial tissues, basically and stratified, cuboidal, columnar, squamous. Okay, the five structurally distinct are as follows. First one is squamous, stratified and cuboidal, columnar. Columnar again divided into two subtypes, ciliated and glandular. Okay, now first one is cuboidal. So first one is squamous epithelial cell, flat, irregular in shape. First one, this one, A1, flat and irregular in shape with no definite shape and tightly packed together. Cells present in this cuboidal epitheliums, no definite shape and tightly packed, no gap between the cells. Okay, squamous epithelial cells are composed of thin, flat and prominent nuclei present here. See here, closely packed, found lining the mouth and nasal cavities, blood vessels and lymph vessels. Blood, lymph and आपकी nasal cavity, mouth के अंदर कौन से होते हैं? That is squamous epithelium. Protect an underlying part of the mechanical injury, germs and harmful chemical and drying up. Function of this squamous epithelium. Main function is to protection and protect the underlying part from the mechanical injury, germs, protection from the injury, from the germs and from the harmful chemical also, and drying up. Main three functions. Main function is the protection from the germ, protection from the chemical and protection from the drying up. Now this one is squamous epithelium and other functions. Now next one, that is stratified columnar. Second one, B1 is stratified columnar. B1 stratified columnar. Stratified epithelium, not common epithelium. Now basic structure is like this. Here upper layer of the lowermost layer is cuboidal. Okay, yeah, lowermost is cuboidal. This one is stratified and यहाँ पे ऐसे से पूरा layer form करते हैं. This one is straight up. See here, lines ना ये, and also tightly packed is the basic feature of this type of epithelial cells feature, that is tightly closed cell, no space between the cell. Okay, now her देखो her strata अलग अलग है, so that it is called as stratified epithelium. Okay, here upper layer is squamous and lowermost is cuboidal. This one is cuboidal. Okay, now features found in the skin and the cornea. Where it is found? Skin and cornea is a part of the eye. It is composed of several layers, that is strata and some different kind of epithelial cells. Okay, now second and third one, C1, that is cuboidal epithelium. Cuboidal epithelium. Here cuboidal epitheliums are cube shape. कैसा होता है? Suppose ये vessels के अंदर होते हैं basically. Cubes like this. See, cuboid. This one. And tightly closed with nucleus, provided with nucleus. Arranged like this. Okay. Cuboidals are vertically arranged cylindrical or bricks-like cells. These are usually tall in size, and epithelium is found in the inner lining of the stomach and intestine. Stomach and intestine. Stomach and intestine. Okay. Now, fourth one, D1, that is columnar epithelium. Fourth one, D1, columnar epithelium, contains a vertically arranged cells. Columnar are two types, ciliated and simple. देखो columnars columns बनाते हैं इस तरह से and provided with nucleus. This is simple, and when it is provided with the cilia, so now it is called ciliated. It is called ciliated columnar epithelial cells. Okay, brick like, these are usually tall in size. Epithelium कहाँ मिलते हैं basically? These one cuboidal one occur in the salivary gland and pancreatic duct, and this one occur in the stomach and intestine. Okay, cuboidal occur in the salivary gland and pancreatic duct, and this one is occur in the stomach and intestine. It is of two types. First one is ciliated, and the second one is glandular. Okay, ciliated, see, structure is like this. At some places in the body, such as the lining of the trachea, windpipe कहाँ मिलता है? That is windpipe. क्या करते हैं cilia? Trap करेंगे dust particles को, microorganism को. Okay, have thread-like protoplasmic projection called cilia. Cilia constantly keep lashing and moving the material enter these inside. Okay, glandular epithelium contains some large cells which secretes a certain chemical substances. Such cells are common in the lining of the stomach and the intestine at certain places. In the body of the glandular epithelium is folded inwards to form a compact hollow or tubular gland. For example, sweat gland, tear gland. कहाँ मिलते हैं ये? Sweat gland and tear gland. And tear gland. Sweat gland and tear gland. See here the structure where these are formed occur. See in this diagram, see this one in the nasal passage, कौन सा है? Pseudostratified ciliated columnar, the cilia provided. Now lungs में simple squamous and windpipe में stratified squamous, and kidney simple cubical, and in urethra or that is stratified columnar, and in stomach that is simple columnar, and in lungs that is simple squamous. Now position and structure of the epithelial tissue in the human body.